Hey everyone, it's Fiona from Custom Asia Travel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most of your time in Vietnam. Please stay tuned for a detailed itinerary that will help you plan your dream vacation in this beautiful country. Vietnam is a beautiful country with so much to see and experience. Although it can be challenging to plan a short tour, you can still explore the two largest cities, Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City, along with the stunning Halong Bay, in just 4 to 5 days. However, if you want to truly immerse yourself in Vietnam's natural beauty and culture, I highly recommend staying for over 10 days. You can start your trip in the bustling city of Ho Chi Minh, exploring the Mekong River Delta, and then head north to visit the historic sites of Hoi and Hoi An, wander around the colonial streets of Hanoi, marvel at the breathtaking Halong Bay, and discover the tribal villages of Sapa Valley in the northern region. This itinerary will offer you a comprehensive view of Vietnam, including its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. To help you plan your trip, I've put together a 2-week itinerary covering most of the must-see destinations. You'll start in Ho Chi Minh City and end in Hanoi, with plenty of amazing sights and experiences along the way. The below 2-week itinerary will be perfect for travelers who want to immerse themselves in Vietnam's rich culture and experience everything this incredible country has to offer. So, stick around and get ready to plan the trip of a lifetime. First up is Day 1. You will arrive in Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon, was once the capital of South Vietnam and is now the country's commercial capital. After your long flight, the remainder of this day is a great opportunity to rest and acclimate to the new time zone. Day 2. Discover historic tunnels and city highlights in Ho Chi Minh City. Wake up feeling energized after a restful night's sleep at your luxurious hotel and enjoy a delicious breakfast before embarking on a full-day tour with your private guide. Explore the incredible underground network of Cu Chi, renowned for its tunnels used by the Viet Cong during the Vietnam War. In the afternoon, visit Ho Chi Minh City's top attractions including Notre Dame Cathedral, Saigon Central Post Office, War Remnants Museum, and the Reunification Palace, formerly known as the Presidential Palace of South Vietnam. End your day with a memorable experience either by admiring the spectacular sunset view from the top of the Bai Texco Tower, the tallest building in Vietnam, or by joining a night tour on a vintage Vespa to experience the vibrant culinary culture of Ho Chi Minh City. Rest up in the evening for the adventures to come. Day 3. Mekong Delta Overnight Trip. After a day of exploring the city, it's time to experience the natural beauty and tranquil lifestyle of the Mekong Delta. Take a 2-hour drive to Bang Chea, a province renowned for its coconut groves and traditional cottage industries. Embark on a motorboat ride along narrow canals and observe locals making bricks and coconut candies, sleeping mats. Take a ride on a motor cart or join a cycling tour to explore the coconut forests, rice fields, and vegetable gardens. After lunch, continue your day with a short ride on a sampan boat, drifting along a small canal lined with nipa palm trees. Arrive in Con Tet City late in the afternoon, where you'll spend the night in the Mekong Delta's capital city. Day 4. Discover Cai Rang Floating Market and fly to central Vietnam. This morning, you'll explore the famous Cai Rang Floating Market, the largest floating market in the Mekong Delta. This unique market is an important cultural site for the local people, who prefer to shop and trade on the river instead of in town. After the visit, you'll return to Ho Chi Minh City for a short flight to Da Nang in central Vietnam, and arrive in Hoi An City for the night. Day 5. Hoi An is a charming city, beautifully preserved example of a Southeast Asian trading port, dating back from the 15th to the 19th century. And its unique heritage is reflected in its buildings and street plan, influenced by both indigenous and foreign cultures. On this day, you will get picked up and head to the boat dock after breakfast for a unique experience in a fishing village. You'll have the opportunity to see and learn about the life of the fishing community, and take a short ride in a basket boat, cycle through the countryside along quiet country roads lined with fields of rice, coconut, and corn. Return to Hoi An town in the afternoon for a tour of the Old Quarter. The tour will include visits to famous cultural sites such as the Japanese Bridge, temples, and merchant townhouses. On day 6, you have a day of leisure to spend as you wish in Hoi An. The town has plenty to offer, from the beautiful beach to lanterns, shopping, boat trips, cooking classes, and cycling tours. It's a shopping paradise with tailor-made shops for shoes and clothes. The town's cuisine is also a major attraction, with a variety of delicious and affordable options available. This free day provides you with the opportunity to explore Hoi An at your own pace and leisure. Day 7, traveling to Hue. Bid farewell to Hoi An in the morning and travel to the former capital city of Hue, which was the seat of the Nguyen dynasty. On the way, you will stop to visit the Museum of Cham sculpture and enjoy stunning views of the coastline from the Hai Van Pass. Upon arrival in Hue, you will embark on a walking tour of the walled citadel, where the former imperial palace and the Forbidden Purple City are located. You will learn about the history and daily life of the Nguyen dynasty, which ruled Vietnam for over a century. You will also visit the Hue Royal Antiquities Museum, which houses a collection of antique objects that once belonged to the royal family. Next, you will travel to the site of the ancient Colosseum in Hue, which was used for elephant and tiger fighting. Here, you will admire the unique architecture and learn about the fierce battles that took place in the arena. Finally, the tour concludes with a visit to Chu Chi Garden, a workshop where handmade bamboo paper art is created. You will have the opportunity to learn how to use the bamboo pulp carving technique to create works of art. Day 8, continue discovering Hue and fly to Hanoi. Start the day with a gentle cruise on a dragon boat down the Perfume River. You'll visit Tien Mu Pagoda, the most famous religious site in Hue, and explore its landscaped gardens, 7-story octagonal tower, and watch monks chanting. Next, you'll visit the tomb of King Tu Duc and the tomb of King Kai Din, two of the most beautiful and impressive structures of the Nguyen dynasty that reflect a blend of Asian and European architectural styles. The afternoon flight takes you to Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, where you will start to explore the most beautiful part of your 14-day trip. Day 9, getting insight into Hanoi. Explore the contrasting yet harmonious blend of the antique and modern, tranquility and chaos, tradition and innovation that characterizes Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. Immerse yourself in the vibrant city on this interesting day-long tour that runs from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Live like a local and witness the city's morning routines in the chic and airy French Quarter, bustling Old Town, and narrow residential areas along the train tracks. Discover Hanoi's history and culture by visiting iconic attractions such as the Temple of Literature, Hoa La Prison, and Women's Museum, and enjoy delicious traditional Vietnamese dishes for breakfast and lunch. Experience the different modes of transportation that Hanoians use daily, including electric buses, cyclos, motorbikes, taxis, and trains. To cap off the day, sit down with your tour guide on a street corner, sipping on a local draft beer before heading back to your hotel. The evening is yours to either explore the city's nightlife or relax in your comfortable hotel room. On day 10, after your breakfast at the hotel, embark on a comfortable drive to the breathtaking hills of Sapa. As you journey through the northern countryside, you'll be treated to picturesque views of lush mountains that rise and fall like waves. The final approach to Sapa offers a spectacular sight of rice terraces cascading down the mountain slopes, providing the main source of livelihood for ethnic villages across the region. Upon arrival, check into your charming accommodation, which boasts bungalows with stunning views of the countryside. In the afternoon, embark on a cultural expedition by hiking through the scenic Muang Hua Valley. Accompanied by your guide, traverse the countryside on trails that wind between the golden rice terraces to reach hill tribe villages. Get a deeper insight into the culture and traditions of the Hmong people by visiting one of their families, an experience that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for rural Vietnam. Day 11, Sapa, Hanoi. Immerse yourself in the stunning landscapes of Sapa as you trek to a black Hmong village located on the side of the Muang Hua Valley. Follow small paths and back roads to admire the majestic scenery of the Huanglian Sun Range, where the roof of Indochina is located, Mount Fansipan. After your trek, enjoy a delicious lunch at a local restaurant in Sapa town before having an hour to walk around the town square to shop for souvenirs or simply soak up the vibrant atmosphere. The afternoon drive takes you back to Hanoi. Sit back and relax as you reflect on the breathtaking scenery and unforgettable experiences of Sapa. Day 12, Hanoi, Halong Bay. On Day 12 of Vietnam Highlights Journey, you will embark on a magical adventure to one of the world's most famous natural wonders, Halong Bay. It's just 2.5 hours away. Around noontime, you will begin your journey to explore the breathtaking scenery of this UNESCO-listed natural heritage site, which also happens to be one of the 7 wonders of the world. As you cruise on a luxurious yacht, you will marvel at the sight of hundreds of limestone towers emerging from the pristine blue waters of the bay. You will have the chance to participate in various exciting activities, such as kayaking, swimming, visiting limestone caves, and even squid fishing. Your meals will be served on the boat, and your comfortable cabin will provide the perfect setting for your night out on the bay. This will be a truly unforgettable experience that will conclude your Vietnam Highlights journey on a high note. Day 13, Halong Bay, Hanoi. An overnight cruise in Halong Bay is a unique and unforgettable experience. Be sure to catch both the sunrise and sunset, watching as the sun ascends over the Gulf of Tonkin and sets behind the picturesque islands and limestone outcrops. The Blue Hour, the time between dusk and darkness, is also a breathtaking sight and is believed by locals to be the most beautiful time to view the bay. Don't miss out on the sunset the day before and wake up early enough to catch the morning views from the deck. After an early lunch, the cruise will end around 11 a.m. and you will then be driven back to Hanoi, where you will spend the final night of your Vietnam Highlights trip. Day 14, Hanoi Departure. Savor a late breakfast at your hotel before checking out. Your guide and driver will then take you to the Ho Chi Minh Memorial Complex, a place where the Vietnamese people honor their great father. Here, you will visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, where the embalmed body of Ho Chi Minh is kept, and his house on stilts, where you can observe how he lived and learn about his journey to becoming one of modern history's greatest names. The miniature 11th century one-pillar pagoda, a Buddhist temple of cultural and historical significance, is located near his house. After this, head to the airport for your flight home. We believe that the 14-day itinerary presented above will provide you with an unforgettable trip to Vietnam, covering the must-see destinations from south to north. Feel free to use it if you think it meets your needs, and we are confident that you will enjoy it. If you require further information, such as a PDF file of the itinerary with hotel listings and pricing details, please click the link in the description below and request a free quote. We are also happy to tailor the itinerary to your travel duration and preferences. Please let us know in the comments if you would like to see more itineraries or have your trip customized. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful travel content. See you in our next video.